wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky.
The goal of today, other than other cleaning things, are to, first of all, can we appreciate my version of the closet and then his version? We want to kind of start getting this room together. We are painting, I don't even know, the trim of the door. Yeah, the trim white, and then we're painting the doors gray and taking out the hardware here and doing matte black. But the tricky thing about this is you have to sand all this down and then paint it. So there's a lot of doors, obviously, that have this color on it. And I think we've agreed that we're going to leave the trim that wooden color. If anything, we would paint it white or maybe even like a darker stain. You can see it better over here. But we wanted to do something, I guess, to make this room just look a little more lived in. Maybe we'll do an accent wall here and then some shelves or something like this. This is our wedding book, actually. We, my grandfather, my pap, he, what did he do? Did he plane this? Someone correct me. But this is a tree that he did here, and then all of our guests signed the piece of wood, which was really fun. But we'd like it to be hung or something right here. Yeah.
Scissors stomp it.
Okay, that's okay. Remember, just tell mommy if we're hurt. Okay, we're not gonna tattle on silly things. I don't know if that concept is too young for them. We'll see. But yeah, so over here, we want to do something on the wall. And then I'd like to get nightstands at some point in life. Over here would be nice to have something like maybe another dresser. But this heater is right here. So I don't know. There's a lot that you can do with this space. It's a pretty large room, and this is considered a third floor. But it just has the bedroom and the bathroom. So maybe we'll move something around here. I'd like to organize my jewelry. Does anyone else have random bullets just hanging around? But yeah, that's the goal. So everything is pretty much in place out in this area. I'd love to have just a plant here or something. I'm moving the lamp downstairs. My husband just needed it to paint. But the living room itself has some things that we'd like to do. We'd like to paint the door. I really loathe that two-tone. I don't like it. So we'd like it to like be updated and match the light fixtures that they did and the fans and things like that. So we're going to take you along and do random projects every now and again. I'd love to paint my own accent wall here, or maybe, I don't know, maybe do something over here with the closets. I'll insert a picture right here, what I'm thinking of, and you let me know if that's a good idea. It looks like relatively inexpensive, and you don't have to get any new hardwares or anything like that. You can just use what you got. So Delilah found her pacifier. She hasn't taken a pacifier since, hey.
I put Sister's Baba in the couch.
Oh, can you get it, please? I don't really want it underneath there.
I throw it.
So yeah, she hasn't taken a pacifier since the incident, the Guillain-Barré, because she lost her like suck. But I think this would be like a comfort for her. Do you like that? It's still relatively new. All right, I'm taking a break and just like kind of sitting down. I keep sneezing, probably because there's so much like dust in the air, but I'm just sitting here. This is the best lighting for this, but some of the fire victims have reached out to their GoFundMes, and they were able to obviously take an inventory. There's not much they have left, but they started asking people for specific things that they need, like one family needs women's clothing and kitchen stuff, so we're gonna go through all of that right now. And I have Delilah here with an Oreo. That's her jam, right? Do you like Oreos? Yeah, okay. Sorry, she wanted to be the center of attention. I wonder where she gets that from. Anyways, we're gonna go through all the clothes and figure out what we can donate. I don't want to donate like super used stuff. I just want to donate clothes that I don't really wear often, because you know me, I'm in leggings and a sweater generally, so I have a lot of just like nice dresses for work and stuff that someone could wear that dresses more professionally than me. So I'm going to give her those and then go through the kids' clothes and go through this closet. And I'm going to show you my bathroom. I have an upstairs bathroom with a closet that I really don't go too much, but now that Delilah has moved down, I feel like I can have my own bathroom back, if that makes sense. Hello. Okay, so I can get ready in there and like have all my stuff there without like overwhelming my husband in the bathroom that he uses. So that is my idea right now. I'm sorry, Wilder is. Can you get down, please? OMG. See, things can get distracting for sure in this house. So we take projects little by little, one at a time. And I think that's the way that this house is going to get organized and ready to sell, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course we'll spend a little bit more time in here, but we are trying to make some improvements before we sell. And getting organized with our own stuff is part of that. So you want me to fix your airplane?
Yeah.
Okay, go get it. So I'm going to show you what we do in the closet area, and then I'll bring you into my area of the closet. This is just kind of like a cozy, organized day at home. So welcome. All right.
Here's your fifth ring.
Okay, Mommy, fix the wing.
We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time.
I'm trying to use that, don't mind the dirty mirror, trying to use that like rule of thumb if you haven't touched it in a year. But I'm finding like Free People dresses I used to be really into like thrifting high-end things, thinking I was either going to flip them, but I ended up keeping them and now I have a bunch of them. But like this Free People thing, I never wear it because it's way too short. So I'm having a hard time, you know, giving away these, but it needs to happen. I need to not be selfish, so. This is leaving. This is what my try-on hauls would look like, to be honest with you. A lot of muted colors, some blacks, and things that are modest and comfortable, and probably with my phone, because my camera always gives me problems, to be honest with you. So, yeah, I'm going to let go of some of these dresses because they're sitting in my closet, and someone can use them. That is for sure. So, bye to the Free People.
So much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old.
All right, this is the end result. I'm pretty excited, pretty impressed with myself. I got rid of a lot of things. These are sweaters that I wear like weekly. I'm known for sweaters, so I might hang them up on this like garment hanger here quick, but I got rid of a lot in my closet. I'm more plain now. I used to be really into patterns, but I have a touch of pattern every now and again. On my husband's side, I didn't really touch, but I'm gonna go ahead and shut this, and then if you could just envision that picture I showed you earlier, but I think that will look really nice here. I do really love the wood. I'm not really sure. Maybe it might be fun to do like a mountain scene somehow with like paint sticks and stain it. Maybe that's too ambitious. I don't know. I get these ideas in my head and that's what happens. But yeah, like I said, I think this frees up a lot of space over here, and it gives us room to work with something right there. And then over here I have socks with no mates. I have all the things I'm donating that need to be hung up, so I might just go get a pack of hangers as well, because I'm assuming they don't have hangers, so that will be hung up. And then over here are more clothes to donate, and then yeah, I think that's it. Still working on this door area here, and we dry a lot of our clothes, so that just stays where it's at. But I'm pretty excited. I think everything came out really well. Now onto the basement. I'm going to do a little project quick. We're downstairs now while Delilah naps, just to give her some silence. I'm eating a chickpea salad sandwich with some sourdough. Wilder's eating blueberries, spinach, and then I have soft, the Kite Hill black cheese, or black pepper cheese, and then, yeah, that's it. It's a big glass of water, and that's about it. Wilder has never napped. He's just not a napper, so him and I spend a lot of quality time together, but I'm going to take this apart and make something out of it, so stay tuned if you're excited to see or laugh at me trying to get this thing together. We don't have any. We are, yeah. My mom is coming next week, so I'm really, let me turn you around. Yeah, so my mom is coming next week. We're really excited. That is part of the reason we're trying to clean everything up, / we want, you know, our house to look nice, but we have quite a bit of room here, so I'm gonna attempt to make something, if you want a good laugh, because we don't have any screws, so we're gonna nail it together and use some wood glue, and I think it's gonna be fine, but we shall see what my husband thinks of it. Of course, I put my own twist on all these things just to let it fit with our style. I guess we're like, I don't know, Southwest modern or Southwest minimal, if you want to call it a style, but we're gonna get into that. I know this vlog is random, but this is what I do with my day, so I love sharing it with you, and I love that you're here. Are you ready to help?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get going. I'll show you what we're making. All right, I'm watching Ellen Fisher, super sweet, and let me know in the comments down below. Can you see it? Can you envision what I'm going for? Oh, babe, wish me luck. Yeah. All right, she's not the prettiest, but it works. It's a shelf. I don't know even if it's, I don't know, proportional, I guess is the right word for it, but I kind of wanted the middle one to be up a little higher, but here we go. That's how it is. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have some toys on the bottom, some blankets on the top. I still want to stain every part of this, but I'm just going to leave it like this for now. We have some of our books here and some of our really old, like, antique books that we like to just have on display, but they are really interesting. Yep, 1 second. And then up here I have the lamp, picture of my mom and I with a vase. I was going to put some eucalyptus here and maybe some greenery in here and call it good, but I'm really excited. Wilder really wants me to put together this box here, so I'll be doing that next, but yay! All right, the wood did not go to waste. And this could still be cube storage, I guess, if you want it to be. I tell you what, once this gets together, I'm sure it'll be great, but holy cow, Melissa and Doug, this is like next level. This is a little ridiculous. It's gotten me super mad at this point. To be honest, I'm just gonna sip my tea and take a break. Does anyone else get mad at stuff like this? It's a kid's toy, like, for Pete's sake. Ah.
Ignore the signs, but feeling far away. lost my sight. I'm sick of being so tired, and I can't keep avoiding.
Well, now I have them sorted. I have the kids' clothes and then our clothes and dishcloths and towels. Yeah, dude. Oh, she's okay. So I'm gonna fold these now and then on to the next task.
Can't stop my hands from shaking. I need you to take them. I'm burning down the house tonight. I'm coming alive and my senses are a little demented. I saw the light. I can't believe what my eyes have seen. I just woke up from a broken dream.